Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I've got quite a lot going on. I do a bit more work on the weld rotator. It's starting to get complicated now. I spent most of yesterday with Richard working on the centre of the steam wagon. We'll get one or two bits and pieces done on that, and I'll bring a little bit of work home to do from that. I'll show quite a lot of machining on pieces to do with the steam wagon. 2 or 3 years ago I did a couple of sets of castings, single cylinder steam engine castings, like just a cylinder and a valve chest, and they were given to a lad called Stanley Graham, who actually built 2 mill engines, one for my wife Debs and one for Mick's partner Sarah. Mick actually called in today with the bases for the engine, the mahogany bases, and we'll actually get the 2 engines together and get them both running at the same time on compressed air. I'll show a bit of that. I'm sure the model engineering lads will be more than happy to see them running. They do run quite nice. It's the first time they've been together since they were built. It probably, I don't know if, I was thinking about bringing them back together here and run them on steam, possibly in the summer, because they do run better again on steam.
Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. Once again, it's one of John's Sunday night giveaways, and tonight I've got some parallels, engineering parallels. I'm not sure what you do with them, but they must work. And this week's winner is Roger Blue.
That was great, Deb, thanks very much. So Roger, all you have to do is send me an email with your address and I'll get that posted off to you. Wherever it is, it certainly isn't in the UK. I'm going to do another giveaway this week. This time it's going to be for one of these, a double boost hat. I did get a few made, I've given quite a few away. It's something I've been thinking about, maybe getting quite a lot made if people would like to buy them. I don't know, see what sort of interest I have. Anyway, that's going to be the prize for this week's draw. As usual, if you want a chance at winning the draw, all you have to do is send me an email with your name, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. That's my email address up there. Your name goes into the bucket, and myself, Debs or Stig or whoever's here will draw it out. It'll be sent away in the post, completely free of charge, to anywhere in the world, to whoever wins it. Anyway, it's well worth having a go, you never know. Your name remains in the bucket until you win, or until whatever happens to me in the bucket, I suppose. It's just a little way for me to say thanks very much for all the help and support I've had with this YouTube channel and with quite a few things actually over the years. I need to put some threads on this end of the mandrel. The thread I'm going to use is 18 by 1.5. We know that's 18. I know that's an 18 by 1.5 mil nut. That's running nice and true, certainly true enough for what it needs to be doing. So I need to measure how much thread I need and then put a recess in there for the thread cutting tool to end up in. I've got a little parting off tool level way in the job, and I need 30 mil of thread. Simple enough tool to measure along 30 mil using the digital readout. Right, I've got a suitable recess for the screw cutting tool to drop into. I'm just going to put a chamfer on the end of the shaft, just a little lead. very important that the tool is on centre height. It looks on centre height, but one way to make sure is to put a steel rule in like that, a little bit of weight on it, and you can see the steel rule is being pushed back, which means that the tool is actually slightly above centre height. Drop it down a little bit, do it again, still too high, Fanny's hair. Still very slightly high. That's not bad there. What I'll do, I'll nip the check nut up. Right, that's not bad. So we know now that the tool is exactly on centre height. I'm going to use a 1.5 thread cutting tool to do the thread. I need to make sure that it's at 90 degrees to the job. That's the easiest way of doing it. Make sure that the tip there is touching on the chuck, so that's set at 90 degrees from the job. I know for a fact it's on centre height. Using this threading insert, I'm not going to use the compound angle set at 29 degrees to cut the thread. I'm just going to go straight in using the cross feed. The threads will be fully completed once that is right down to the shoulder on the screw cutting tool. I've set the gearbox up to cut the 1.5 thread. I'm going to use a thread dial indicator. Basically I can lock the half nut in anywhere I want on any line, with it being a metric thread on a metric wheel. Right, I'm going to take a nice light cut just to mark it. A bit more than a light cut, but certainly putting a mark on it anyway. Okay, that's a 1.5mm thread pitch gauge, and you can see it's actually cutting a 1.5 pitch thread. It always seems to speed up as it gets towards the end. So we'll zero the cross slide, wind it out to full turn, off the end of the thread, back to 0, plus some cut, watching the indicator come round any line, that one. A hand on the lever that releases the half nuts, because it's not nice when you're trying to find the bastard thing when it's getting to the other end of the thread. Once again, 0, out, back to the beginning, plus a little bit of cut. A little bit more, one more cut possibly. Do one more cut on the same setting, to take any spring out of it. Right, that is basically the dog's bollocks. Nice thread, not shaking, no pissy slack, but not tight. Very happy with that. You can drill, Mick, on it.
I've got a drill bit. Right. I've got a battery drill.
So what sort of wood's that, Nick?
Mahogany. From the old bar top in the Percy Arms peddling station.
Really?
Destined for the bonfire when they were stripping the old pub out. So it's lucky it survived, really. Just tied up by.
Yeah.
You've got a
Put a brass nameplate on there.
I can nameplate on there with like the year and that. Right, so it's clearing nicely. I've got some brass screws, but the hole's got to be nearly the size of the thread for it to screw into the mahogany.
Right. So these are the castings me and you did, aren't they?
Aye, that's the.
Stanley.
And that's one's got the D, one's got the S.
That's right.
Just double check that for. Just mark these.
Do you want a drill?
I'll just mark them, John, and take it off, and then I'll. Because when I done the other one last night, you had to like do like a pilot hole.
Right.
A little hole right the way through, and then a bigger one at the top, because the screw was just binding up, you know. These are proper old brass screws, you know, the decent stuff.
Right.
Not like the modern things what just look like brass, but they're just like yellow zinc or whatever the hell it is. And these are the real deal. Oh, I'll try it. Got all the slots facing the same way.
You've got to make a slot face the same way. That shows somebody cares, aye. Yeah.
Not worse than to see something like this one's got posi drives in.
No, it looks terrible. They did the pub debuts to work. They had a name and a brass thing because she was a landlord, you know.
Oh, right,
so they had a name and grabbing this brass plate. It was held up with two silver posi drive screws. into the stone wall. It looked atrocious. Right.
Split on. Is that open for it? Dripping down there?
I just did it for some of it.
That'll be open or closed either.
Just
Try not to get too much on that, but should be putting it on now. Just going on the dining table and by the place.
side. Yeah. Oh man.
Quality, isn't it?
Right, nice, isn't it?
Aye. I'll try and get a little bit more video because I think it was.
Tell you what, do you want it at a time?
Right.